All right, so right now when I'm filming this video, the Bernie memes post inauguration of Biden have become a hot topic. So I'm going to look up my favorite Bernie memes. I think that the one where he's in the Friends is pretty hilarious. So I'm going to go find that image. I think these ones are pretty good. So you're looking for any picture. I really don't care. I'm just looking up something that's very topical right now. And I'm going to go ahead and open up that image in a new tab. So once you find an image that you like, you can pick your favorite meme, whatever it is, doesn't matter. Right click it and open it in a new tab. And you want to save this to your computer. So I'm going to right click and save this image to my computer. When you go to save it, you need to be in your Digital Design 1 folder, in your notes website, and in your assets folder to be used on the web. And you should rename it. Like I'm going to go ahead and rename mine Bernie meme, no spaces. Notice I'm doing it all lowercase because I think it's better to stay consistent. And I'm leaving the file extension of .jpg at the end, but really importantly, no spaces. And we want to put it in this folder because we want to be able to access it and put it on our page inside of our notes website. So we need to put it within this folder so that our page can link to it and the computer can find it and bring it back. So I'm going to hit save there. And then I'm going to go back to Dreamweaver. And this time, what we're going to do is bring in an image in our article. So I'm going to challenge you to pause the video here and bring in your meme. See if you can get your meme underneath the click here to access Google. So if you noticed in that time that I was paused, this updated and now I have a Bernie meme.jpg in my assets. If you wanted to reload it, you could reload it to see that. I'm going to bring that in by doing an image tag, an IMG. And if you recall, an image tag is a standalone tag, so I'm going to close it within the tag using a backward slash at the end. I then have to tell the computer where to find it. So I'm going to do a source equal to, and that's going to go ahead and allow me, when I do that, the browse option comes up, but so does assets. So remember, because index is out here, I need to tell the computer to go into the assets folder and then find the picture. So I have to say first go into assets, whoops, and then find the Bernie meme. And once I do that, it'll bring it in. Now mine's pretty big, so I'm going to go ahead and reduce the width of this, which is just another attribute inside of image. So if you recall, I can just hit the space bar inside the tag and type width equals, we'll say like 50% of what the width was for that. Now you can see that it's going to come up and be next to the link because there's nothing putting a break between the lines here. So I'm going to go actually click at the end of my A tag and I'm going to put a break tag. Remember, a break tag pops you to the next line. It doesn't create a whole paragraph and space around it. It just creates the next line. And it's a standalone tag too because I don't have to tell the computer when the break starts and when the break ends. It's just a break. So I'm going to do a BR slash and break that to the next line. And actually, you can even do a second one if you wanted to, so you had the spacing, but not necessarily the paragraph elements coming through. Okay, so now that I've got my Bernie meme in there, what I want to do is make this link to something. So I'm going to actually make this link to a YouTube video of one of my favorite scenes from Friends. You can go pick a YouTube video that is related to your meme or something that is related to your meme that you would like to send somebody to. Maybe you just want to Rickroll people, right? So I'm going to go ahead and go to YouTube and search for Friends trivia episode. And it's in season 4. I know exactly what episode it is. And I'll do quiz part 3 because that's the funniest one because it's when they do the lightning round. All right, so then what I'm going to do is go ahead and grab the link for this video. So I'm going to hit the share button below it and copy this link. Okay, so now that I've got that link copied, it's going to send them to this page to watch this video. So I'm going to make this image a link to that video so that when they click on the image, which you've clicked on images a lot, you actually, if you think about it, when you were bringing in your meme, you clicked on an image to look at the image in a bigger view. That's clicking on a hyperlink image, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to challenge you to make this image be a clickable link to wherever you want it to go, a YouTube, whatever you want it to do. And before you're done here, save it. So save this. And then I want you to go test it. So you can see my image isn't appearing here, but if I refresh this, my image will appear, but it's not a clickable link yet because when I hover over it, it doesn't go anywhere. So I want you to see if you can make this be a clickable link to send somebody to a new location, and do that on your own and then send me the code.